Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button. So I'm going to take you to Christmas shopping haul part 2 in Kmart in this video. So let's start checking the Christmas lights here. So for part 1 of the decoration video, please refer the link in the description box. So this is the different store other than the one that I covered in part 1. So let's see what all is available here. So these all are different type of Christmas lights. So there are various lights for trees, for windows, and this beautiful lamp I spotted here. It was in stock in the store. And some new stock has arrived for this little Christmas characters, and Smiley really wanted to buy some of these. So these are more lights available here. So there are different kind of fairy lights. These are for outdoor garden. So in case you have a backyard or you want to put it in the front yard, these colorful stars will make a very good attraction. Next, coming to the wreaths. So in the last store I checked out, these were mostly out of stock. So I found this one here, the basic ones, and I thought to pick up one so that I can do some DIY on this. And other than this local flower wreath was also available. These big bows were there, and some other beautiful wreaths were also there. So these all are the trees, and the squig lights have also come, and I really wanted to buy some, but I have already purchased a lot of stuff. So I was just checking all of this out now. And this bunting looks so cute with this pom-pom in gray, white and red color. It will make a very nice Christmas decor. And these are all the garden stakes. Only a few of them were available here also. Most of the items here in this section were out of stock. So this is a color changing light up musical globe. So in case you want to put some Christmas decor on your hallway table, so this will make a very good great piece for that. And in case you are looking forward to put some local animal decor on your Christmas tree, so this is also available in Kmart. This is a reindeer. It looks like a glass reindeer, but it's a plastic one, and this is not LED one, so it doesn't has any light, but it looks very good as a decor. And there were very nice baubles also. So each and everything here in this section was for $2. And in case you are looking for any bunting for your background wall for the tree, so this makes a great Merry Christmas bunting. These all are small trees. They look nice in your hallway table or your hallway. You can put a smaller one there if you want. So they had a lot of variety of all this. Many Christmas trees were still available and in stock in the store. And these are some nice cute bags, goodies bag sacks for the kids, and Smiley really liked this and he bought one from here. So these cute butterfly decoration, I purchased one pack of this also. Soon in my upcoming videos I will be sharing with you all the Christmas stuff that I have bought till now. I'm still collecting it from various stores. So in my upcoming video you will be seeing more Christmas shopping hauls from other local stores around us. So I hope you will like all of these videos. In case you like my videos, please don't forget to press that subscribe button and stay tuned for more content on the channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Stay safe.